Upon logging in to your service unit level access, you will be prompted to enter or update your product and reward delivery site information. If information was input last year, it will be here for you to verify and confirm. Please pay close attention because this is where your nut products will be delivered. You can also provide any special instructions that will be communicated to the delivery agent when delivery tickets become available. You'll have the same option to enter that information for rewards as well. If you choose to bypass that step in the beginning, please note that you will be able to update that information by choosing Manage Service Unit Troops and Girl Scouts from the Service Unit tab, clicking the plus sign next to your service unit, and then editing the information that is present for both products and rewards. Please keep in mind that only physical addresses are acceptable, no PO boxes. Products will typically be delivered by a delivery agent who will need that information to find you. For reward deliveries, those will be shipped via FedEx.